Hello everyone. So first we are inserting a clip and then we are going to take and joining it with the clips and your hairstyle is done. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side as shown in the video and then joining with the rubber band. After that repeating the same step once more and then to the untied hair we are going to make this beautiful bun. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are applying a clip and then taking layer from both the sides, joining it to the clip and joining them again. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are making a braid by taking some hair and then folding it out into a bun and then taking rest of the layers and then we are going to roll it on the bun we've made and then joining it with the rubber band. After that we are applying this beautiful clip. Next we are going to take 2 layers of hair, joining it with a rubber band, repeating once more the same step and forming a bun with that. After that we are applying this beautiful clutcher on it. Next we are going to take 2 layers of hair, after that joining it with the rubber band. Then we are going to make 2 braids from the untied hair and then we are going to loosen it and join it opposite to each other. And then you can see your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take 2 layers and then joining them, again repeating the step and passing first layer into the second. Then we are taking the untied hair and converting them into a braid. We are going to loosen it and making it into a bun and then it's done. Next we are going to take 2 layers again and then we are going to secure it with rubber band. Then we are taking 2 layers, passing them from the layer we've made one by one so that this hairstyle could be made. Just follow the steps what we are doing in the video, then apply a pin for securing them. Next we are going to apply a clip in our hair and then taking 2 layers and joining them. Next we are going to take 4 layers and joining them together and then making a braid from the untied hair, then forming a bun from it. Next we are going to take this clutcher and applying it to our low ponytail and converting it into an easy simple bun. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken 2 layers and then joining it with rubber band. Then we are going to make 2 ponytails and using this tool to pass them through the layer we've made. Next we are going to take 2 layers and then securing it with rubber band, repeating the same step once again. We are going to loosen the hair, after that making a braid and again loosen it and then we are going to form it into a bun, applying some pins for securing it and then it's ready.